Hey everyone, if you want to use Miro AI features in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use AI tools inside Miro to boost productivity and work faster. First, Miro AI features are built-in tools that help you generate ideas, summarize content, create diagrams, and organize boards automatically. Start by logging into Miro and opening an existing board or creating a new one. Click on the AI or Magic Tools option from the toolbar to open Miro's AI features. You can type a prompt like brainstorm marketing ideas, and Miro AI will instantly generate suggestions. If your board has a lot of sticky notes, use AI to summarize them into key points. Miro AI can automatically turn text or ideas into flowcharts or diagrams. AI can help group sticky notes, clean up layouts, and organize your board automatically. Miro AI also suggests improvements and helps teams work faster during collaboration. For best results, use clear prompts and break large tasks into smaller AI requests. A common mistake is giving vague prompts, which can lead to less accurate AI results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Miro AI features in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.